In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Google Docs. Lines are a simple way to separate sections, highlight headings, or create visual structure in your document. I'll show you three practical methods: a quick, built-in horizontal line, a fully customizable line using the drawing tool, and a vertical line using columns. First, the fastest option is the built-in horizontal line. Place your cursor exactly where you want the line to appear. Then go to Insert and choose Horizontal Line. Google Docs drops a clean line that spans the width of your page. If it lands in the wrong spot, just undo or cut and reinsert it. To remove it, click near the line and press Backspace or Delete. If you see extra space above or below, adjust by moving your cursor and pressing Backspace, or tweak your paragraph spacing if needed. This option is perfect when you want a consistent, no-fuss divider. Next, let's create a custom line using the Drawing tool. Go to Insert, hover over Drawing, and click New. In the Drawing window, select the Line tool from the toolbar and drag to draw. Hold Shift while dragging for a perfectly straight line. Use the toolbar to change color, thickness, and style. You can also add dashes or arrowheads if you like. Want it vertical? Draw a line and rotate it, or simply draw it straight up and down while holding Shift. When it looks right, click Save and Close, and the line will appear in your document like an image. You can click to select it and drag it into place, or drag the handles to resize. If you need to tweak the design later, select the line and choose Edit to reopen the drawing window. This approach is ideal when you need a specific style, a thicker divider, or a line with arrows. Finally, here's how to show a vertical line between columns. Go to Format, select Columns, and choose More Options. Pick the number of columns you want, then check Line between columns. Click Apply, and Google Docs will display a vertical line between your columns automatically. This is great for newsletter-style layouts or side-by-side content. If the line feels too tight, increase the spacing between columns in the same menu. To remove the line later, return to More Options and uncheck the box. That's it. Use the quick horizontal line for simple dividers, the drawing tool for full control over style and orientation, and column lines for vertical separation in multi-column layouts.